You're the talent, the editor, the lighting director, the creative director, like you're everything by yourself.
I am a homo. Back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back.
I guess this is the start of my first vlog. I just got my vlog camera. I've been vlogging a lot on my iPhone, but it wasn't here for the quality. But yeah, I'm very satisfied with this. You guys like my nails? These are my pastel prides. The ones before this were a little too aggressive, so I was like, let me do something a little more subtle. I'm defining my curls right now. I'm gonna film and do like a glam look for Instagram and also for like my channel visuals or whatever. Y'all can see the whole situation. My business. I'm so new here, it's not even funny. Y'all give me some time. Give me some time. Give me some time. Okay? Can't find like an interesting enough or just a decent positioning. So I'm just gonna see y'all later. Yes? Come here, nephew. Say hi. No! Sorry, I know you almost broke the whole camera. And as you can see, there's me using my laptop as my monitor. I'm doing like an Instagram reel, TikTok kind of a situation. This is my ring light. It's my little mirror. It's broken, so I just put the little black tape over the crack. Here's some of my makeup products. I'm wearing, I have like a towel. It's just like a big mess in here. My two little lights to light up my background. And yeah. Hey y'all, I'm back. It was Pride Month. I'm gonna do another Pride look. Right now I'm working on a makeup look inspired by this picture of Lady Gaga. Yeah. So we're gonna do like a rainbow version of this. I may or may not outline it with black, but I don't think so. I think I'm just gonna let it be rainbow. Just let it be like a rainbow. And let it come all the way out so that it gives you like a cheeky cheekbone kind of a moment. This is the imagery for my channel, by the way. Very album cover energy. I'm using this face paint by Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below just in case. And I'm catching up on the haves and the have-nots. I just got to season 8, and if you know, you know. There's a lot of material. I want you back. I have this song stuck in my head every time I edit reels. You probably seen it on my Instagram. Oops. I've been wanting to do like a nail video, but it's been like a fail every time. So you know, red is my favorite color, so it's gonna give red and orange. I don't have any orange and I can't find my other face color. Or you know what? I think it's in. I don't have it in my possession, and it bothers me because I need it right now. And I need to have it in my possession because I need to do my look. And how I'm going to do my look without orange? Oh, you know what? I'm such a genius. So instead of trying to find that, what I'm just gonna do is use my nail, take like that much of the face paint in the back of my hand, do the same thing with the yellow, mix these two colors together. I have to add a little bit more yellow. Yeah, there you go. That's better. Now it's orange. I want it to be a little further away from the red because it's giving that red undertone. There you go. There you go. I could have really made these pastel colors so that it matched my nails. But you know what? It's okay. I'll just edit my nails to match. Or I'll try to edit my nails to match. So I think I'm gonna like cut you guys off. Even if I were to time lapse through this. This has like 55 minutes worth of life and this look is probably gonna take me a good few hours. So yeah. I'll just catch up with y'all when I have more progress, so yeah. Okay, hey y'all, so this is where we're at. It's coming along nicely. I'm still debating the black. I think I may leave it because like on pictures, it'll look phenomenal. I'm gonna put a purple right here, add lashes, highlight, contour, all that good stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna sit you guys down right here. And then I still have to like take pictures and for real. See, I had to mix the purple and the orange on my hand. This is my first look in like a year. Nervous because this has to be kind of symmetrical and my eyes are two different shapes. The trick when it's not symmetrical, you give a little head tilt and it gives
Hang out upside down, get some rest.
Anyway, y'all stop talking to me. Stop talking to me while I'm doing my...
Then what are you saying? I'll look into Wyatt's money, control of Catherine's estate while she's locked away.
You still mad at me?
I feel pretty and witty and gay. Ooh, there's like yellow. So this is my new setup when I film, by the way. YouTube is gonna be bedroom setup, kind of, sort of, and then like Instagram reels. Some reels will have this backdrop, but most of them will have this backdrop. My camera's dying, so I'm gonna charge this for a little bit. So this is the thing about working from home. I get in the bed and then I don't want to do anything. Studio is like right here, child. Anyway, I gotta get amazing content. If not, this will have all been in vain. So I'm gonna get these pictures in and then clean up. But yeah, it's a finished look under the lights. I'm really happy with how it came out. Focus on me, period. You know, my little bootleg backdrop. Again, I had to downsize, so I had to use clothing rack. Anyway, I just want to show y'all the finished look before I take pictures. So now I'm gonna sit y'all back on the bed and let y'all watch me take pictures. Zipping through the gram, Felipe charming. Get ready to explore, zipping through the gram, Felipe charming. Hey you guys, it's me editing Felipe. So really quick, just want to let you guys know what I was doing here. What I was doing was writing out everything that I wanted to capture before I started shooting. I did start taking a couple of reels before I started shooting, but sometimes as a content creator you spend so much energy once you set up lights, get your angles and everything, you kind of forget what it is exactly that you want to capture, or you may forget a minor detail that you meant to include in your content. So what I like to do is, as of late, is write out a little list, so that way once I'm getting the filming process, either I have something to say for a brand, a specific Instagram reel, TikTok, or even just something I want to say to my audience, I write it down. Just write a little list so that I can just go ahead and have a guideline to follow. And also, I used to be really bad with this. Remember to always have a bottle of water, glass of water, so that you can stay hydrated while you're filming. Sometimes we get so caught up in the art and the craft and the work that we forget about our human bodies. Hydrate, 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 hydrate. Anyway, let's get back to the vlog. I need to get new mirrors. I spent $40 on this mirror last year. Not this one. This one was like 10 or 12 or something. This one was 40. And I literally broke it like months into having it. I'm just like, girl. Right now I'm in Final Cut. You know how you don't see how filthy? It's because all the makeup. Insta Reels. I just made this. Click that. Then go to modify. Vertical. Perfect. Perfect for reels. So then I go here, drag that. I'm gonna just transform it. Transform. Give it 90. Zoom in.
Oh my God! Is this who we are? Is this what we represent? Is this what we represent? Telling somebody to kiss it.
Okay, I kind of like that. I want to sit y'all down so bad. It's giving reflective. I don't know if you guys can really get into my screen. I don't like how I did that.
Oh my God!
I think I could finesse this and make it a different transition. I look kind of cute, even without my beat and all the lights.
Hate your hair and makeup today. The wig and the make.
That's trash. Okay, I think I like this one. We're just gonna go here, go to edit, hit copy. I know I could Control C, but because I'm only operating with one hand, it's always my face for me. I'm just trying to like edit them all in one project. This is also trash. Look kind of cute, but it's also trash. Okay, this one gotta go. Just showing you how I edit, child. Listen, Linda. We're gonna paste that effect again so that it's all rotated.
Those people came together to end to try to. Those people came
kind of like when I'm in my phone.
Those people came together to try to end me and sweetheart came together. Those to try to end.
Kind of like I want to mix and match these a little bit.
To try to end me and sweetheart.
Yeah, I like this one better.
End me and sweetheart.
Cause I'm using this cause like the little desk has like.
And sweetheart. To try to end.
Okay. Stay right there, young lady.
Those people came together to try to end me.
Okay, we're gonna cut it right there.
5 at this point.
To try to end me.
I kind of like this one too.
Those people came together to try to end me. To try to end.
Is that all I did?
Represent? Telling somebody to kiss it. Is this who we are? Is this what we represent?
I look so
Is
pale.
this who we are?
Hate. Your hair and makeup today.
So we're just gonna give crisp transition right there. I just gotta make sure I'm in the very similar position. This camera's dying. Glad it's dying now rather than the process. Alright, so now we're ready to record our reels. For real this time. So now I'm gonna sit y'all on the bed again. I wish like I could like prop y'all up right here, but there's literally nothing in here to like hold y'all up. This is probably the best we can do. Now stay right there. This is what happens when you're the talent, the editor, the lighting director, the creative director, like you're everything by yourself in a weird condensed space. I love it. Take this over a lot of different jobs. Yeah.
At the table.
Bravo, Diva! Cheers visible. We've been naked in here. Alright. I should have a very specific highlight like a body. Shout out to It's My Ray Ray. How it is like cute, but it's like broken and stuff, and it's kind of old. I'm like the messy type of artist. Do y'all see that highlight though? It's My Ray Ray did her thing with this. Bring this back. Ooh. Even on tetas. Bro, I swear my tetas didn't look like this a couple weeks ago. It was like a bird chest again. Can y'all believe I finished this look like 2 hours ago and I'm really just sitting up here like playing with it?
I'm coming in fast.
This is work, honey. People don't see this. Guess y'all don't know now, huh? So I don't want the chair in my picture. I know that's right. You better work. No, I'm just playing. Editing Felipe here. As we near the end of our vlog, I did just want to pop in here really quickly and say a few things because this is a pride-inspired look. I know a lot of us, myself included, struggle with staying true to ourselves as LGBT youth, especially as Black LGBT youth, because you feel like you have to play a role to appease a number of people. Whether that's your friends, your significant other, your boss, your parents, your siblings, whomever, society as a whole, the internet, or even just a piece. At the end of the day, you have to do what makes you happy. If you have to move in silence, do that. If you want to go the traditional route, go get your degree, have a traditional career, traditional 9 to 5, do that. If you want to work a 9 to 5, do that. If you want to be an entrepreneur, do that. If you want to sit in your room and talk to your camera like me, do that. Whatever makes you happy. Do not let anybody talk you out of your greatness. Don't feel pressured to go a route that you do not want to take. There's no time like the present. Start now. I'm starting now. Looking at YouTube's newest vlogger. On a serious note, yeah, that's all I pretty much wanted to say. I love you guys so much, but before I go, I did want to add, okay, pose. Okay, pose. The camera did end up cutting off on me, and I didn't continue vlogging until the next day, but you guys voted on the polls for one-day vlog, so that's what I did. And yeah, this video, thumbs up if you want more vlogs from me. Comment down below what you're proud of this Pride Month. Subscribe to join the Charming family, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.